Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our lesson today is apply unit rates, unit price. Our objective is how I can find, compare, and use unit prices. And the solve and share problem. Daniela is shopping for movies online. She sees the three different offers shown below. Which offer is the best buy? Explain your thinking. Solve the problem any way you choose.
Thank you, Yaman. Daniela, as Yaman said, has three offers. Now we have to find out which offer is the best. Okay, how we can find this this offer, the best one, I mean, by using unit price. Yes, unit price. The main objective here, the first step, we have to write as the rate and keep all of time the dollar up, because the dollar is very important in our life, so all of time it is up. So the first offer, it is for, okay, movies for $33. Yes, so $33 for 4 movies. Now, the second offer is 18 $18.70 for 2 movies, and the third offer is 42. It is 42 and half dollar for how many movies? 5 movies. Okay, now we have to figure out which offer of these is the best. Okay, let me write with another color here. Okay, this one, for example, it is 42 and half, 5 movies. Now, we learned before the unit rate. We try to make down equal 1, yes? For the first one, we just divide by 4, and for the second one, we divide by 2, What we did here, we just try to make each one item. Yes, here we have 4 movies. We have to find out one movie cost how much. Okay, 5, it is divided by 5 and divide by 5. Now it just calculations to find which is better for Daniela. Yes, here we have 1 and erase everything here, and instead of it is equal 1, and here we have also 1. Now it just calculation to find 33 divided by 4. Okay, by long division we can do it. Okay, let me do it here. I do some calculations before, sorry for that. Okay, it is 33 divided by 4. How many 4 in 3? 0. How many 4 in 33? It is 8. 8 by 4 equals 32. We subtract them. 1. Now, I finished from the 33. There is no digits here. So I call up the decimal point and call down the 0. And there are 2 4s in 10. Okay, now I subtract, it's 2. Now I call 0 from my pocket. How many 4 in 20? There are a 5. So it is $8.25. Yes, $8.25. Now I have to divide this one. 8.1 divided 2, or 8 and 1/10. Okay, we have to know how to read it correctly. Yes, I know you know. So again, 8.1 divided by 2. How many 2 in 8? There are 4. 4 by 2 equal 8 minus, it is 0, yes? It is 18, not 8, yes? It is 18, my dear student. It is 18, yes, it is 18. Sorry for this mistake. So let us repeat from the beginning here. Okay, how many 2 in 18? This is 9. 9 by 2, 18. Subtract 0, 0. Okay, now I call the decimal up and the one down. It is different, okay? It is 18.7, not 18.1. Why I copy it by mistake? Sorry, it is 7, okay? So I call the 7 down. Okay, now how many 2 in 7? It is 3. 3 by 2 equals 6 minus it is 1. Now I call 0 from my pocket. How many 2 in 10? It is 5. So $9 and 35 cents. Yes, $9 and 35 cents. The last one, 42.5 divided by 5. Okay, 42.5 divided by 5. And you ask the golden question. See, how many 5 in 4? 0. How many 5 in 42? 8. Yes. How? Not how. Okay, now subtract. It is 2. I need the 5 here, but there are a rocket between them, so send it up. Okay, send it up. Okay, and then send it here, and then call the 5. The 5 call coming down. How many 5 in 25? It is 5. So 8.5 or 8 and 5/10 or $8 and half. Okay, now I can know easily now which one is the cheapest or the best offer for Daniela. Okay, okay. So one movie, see, one movie cost $8 and 25, and or you buy one movie by $9 and 35, or you choose one movie by $8.50. So clearly you will select this one, yes. So because of that, you have to advise Daniela to choose the first offer, this one. Okay, okay, let us continue. So the unit price make the number of item equal 1. Okay, I will take a special case here. For example, it is number 3. Let me see here. It is half, yes. Okay, half gallon of orange juice for $3.65. So it is $3.65. Write it up. Write the money up. Okay, for half. Okay, for 1/2. The 1/2 you can write it as a decimal, 0.5. Yes, it is a famous uh, fraction. 1/2, and you remember 1/4. Yes, it is equal 0.25, and 3/4, 0.75. You remember I said this is famous like Messi and Ronaldo, yes, between the decimal numbers. Okay, 1/2 equal 0.5. So divide up and down. To make it 1, you have to divide by the same number. So divided by 0.5 and divided by 0.5. Here we got 1. Yes, easy. And now my mission here to divide this decimal by decimal. Yes, let us do it down here. Okay, now The first number, it is in. The dividend in, and divisor out. Yes, divisor out, and the dividend in. Okay, now we will revise how to do decimal by decimal. You know that you cannot keep the divisor as a decimal. You have to move the decimal point one step to the right. Okay, and because of that you have to move the decimal point here one decimal to the right. Yes, because you cannot do anything if the divisor stay decimal. So I change it to the whole number. So I will write this again. It will be 36.5 and this will be 5. Yes, see? Now, how many 5 in 3? 0. How many 5 in 36? There are 6. 6 by 5 equal 30. Now, it is not 6, it is 5. Sorry. How I know? See, let me continue. Okay, it is 6. Oh, the 5 here or the 6 here, it is bigger than the 5. So you have to revise your answer here and add by 1. Yes, so this, I will erase this. And how many? Okay, 7 by 5 equals 35. And 1. Now I need the 5 to coming down, but the 5 said I have a rocket in front of me. Can you raise it up? Yes, raise the decimal point up and call the 5 down. It will be 15. How many 5 in 15? There are 3, 5. 5s, yes, so equals 0. So it is 7.3. It is 7.3 what? See, this one 7.3. $7.3 per 1 gallon. Yes? Okay, my dear students, I hope you get all of the benefits. And remember that every time we find the unit rate or unit price, try to make down equal 1, okay, to be a unit. Okay, unit rate or unit price. In the unit price, keep the dollar up, okay, and make the down equal 1. Okay, my dear students, thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Khair, and goodbye.